Rehearsal tonight, recital tomorrow, and then we're done with this music. So let's tune. We'll do a B flat and A for this tune.
Could you start where the fast section starts, just for a second?
You're talking about one right before 108.
Where that kind of comes back.
Dun, 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 dun. Keep it light. Keep it moving forward. 2 before 34. 1, 2, 3. I feel like almost like you're singing like it's a Monday. But it's a Wednesday. It's hump day. From the top, from the top. So the choir's going to be sitting up there.